Welcome to Ocims Co-op. For more information, please visit www.ocims.com.my. Ocims Co-op is a web-based software application that can manage the information of the member, stock, sales, and procurement in the latest trend with user-friendliness. Ocims Co-op is a subscription web-based software application that is affordable to any cooperative services industry. It can be accessed through any smartphones or devices. Receivables. At the end of the video, you are able to: first, search and print the list of receivables. Second, view the receivables list of customer and their aging. Third, update the invoice status when the payment is received. Fourth, key in the correct account code. Fifth, what reflect in accounting. Receivables. Account receivable is an asset designation applicable to all debts, unsettled transactions, or other monetary obligations owed to the cooperative by its debtors or customers. Besides, it is used to produce statement of account. This makes it easy to see who is in debt to the cooperative, and how much, and cooperative can follow up with customers to collect the payment. From the home page, please click the account icon. Receivables list will be displayed. In the list, you can perform search function by clicking the search icon on the right side. Search form will be displayed. Now, fill in the appropriate information. And then, click the search button. The invoice of your search will be displayed. Next, you can print the receivables list by clicking the print icon on the right side and follow the on-screen instruction. Now, at the receivable list, you can see the previous invoices that have been made. For your information, only the approved invoices will be displayed on the list, because those invoices is ready for the payment to be made by the debtor or customer. Then, if you look at the total due column, you can see how much does the debtor or customer owe to the cooperative. And also, if you look at the aging column, you can see how many days customers have been in debt with cooperatives. Furthermore, if you scroll down at the total due column, you can see the subtotal amount, and the total amount that the debtor or customer owes to the cooperative. If you scroll up again, you can see at the expected payment date column, it shows you the expected date of payment from the debtor or customer. At the job code name client column, you can view the customer's invoice by clicking the hyperlink. Invoice document will be displayed. You can see the details of the invoice to the customer. And you can also print back the invoice document by clicking the print icon on the right side and follow the on-screen instruction. Now, go back to the receivables list page. If there is a payment transaction from a customer, you can also update the invoice status here. To update, click the Show Update Status hyperlink at the status column. Update invoice status form will be displayed. Now, all you need to do is fill up the form. First, invoice status. This section is to update the invoice status. If there are any changes to the invoice status, you can update here. Before that, for your information, the approved invoices will be automatically has a submitted status. Now, you can change the status to full payment received, if full payment has been received. Second, date of work done. This section is to key in the date that you are updating the invoice status. Third, amount due. This section is to see how much amounts that the debtor or customer owe to the cooperative. Fourth, amount payment. This section is to key in the amounts that the debtor or customer pays. In this case, 149 ringgit and 50 cents. Fifth, account code when the invoice is submitted. To add new account code, you can go to the account setting. This section is to update the account code whether debit or credit when the invoice is submitted. If you sell the goods on credit, the debit will be trade debtors, and the credit will be income sales and services. Sixth, account code when the payment is received. This section is to update the account code whether debit or credit when the payment is received. Example, You already received the payment from the trade debtors, thus the debit will be bank and cash in hand. And the credit will be trade debtors. 7th, target payment. This section is to key in the date that you're targeting the date of the payment. 8. Remarks. This section is to write any additional information about the invoice. Then, click the Save button to update the invoice status. The updated invoice status will be displayed at the status details. At the status details, you can edit back the status of the invoice by clicking the pencil icon, or, to delete, click the trash icon. And, this invoice was settled, and will not be listed on the receivables list. In the end, the invoice will appear in the general ledger under their representative account code. The end. Thank you for watching Ocims Co-op. Have a nice day.